Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your Instagram GIF is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till then and follow my steps. First, open your Instagram and go to your profile and then click on three dotted button and now go to the account center. Now scroll down and go to the your information and permissions and you can see a managing cookies option. In my there is a no managing cookies option, so click on the managing cookies and enable it. After doing this step, check the problem. If it is persist, then next is long press on the Instagram and go to the app info. Now click on the storage and cache. Now once clear cache and clear storage. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.